Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. You got the old Mongo Man out here in KJ's garage tonight. We have a special little project for you. I don't know if you guys have seen how we move trucks around here. We have definitely been using the fork truck more and more. Let's see, last night I was watching Fab Rats. Paul was working on the Jeepster. And I saw a little apparatus that he had made that I just knew immediately I had to make the exact same thing for us. And today I made a trip to Harbor Freight and picked up some parts. So this is what I got. This is the 12-inch extender, hitch adapter, so that's supposed to extend it. This is a class 2 2-inch trailer ball coupler. Super simple. And a couple adapters there. So what I have to do is get rid of that awesome Chinese weld, which is probably a good thing. And then this is going to fit on there like that. And you'll see what we're going to do with it. Now, you might say, well, what good is that? Give me a second. 30 years in the material handling industry, this is the first fork I've ever put a hole in. And that's why. Now we can move trailers around and trucks. Such simple ideas. $50, I think, is what that cost for those pieces. And we had the bolts here. All right. All right, everybody, just wanted to do that real quick for you and show you just how easy it is to make your life a whole lot easier here in the shop. Hopefully that's something that we'll be able to use now to move these trucks that are dead around. Of course, M&M's not dead, but there he is. KJ's putting the transmission dipstick in it right now. And there is a Jeep inside of the garage that's got to come out. I don't know that we will. We may not. We may just pull that thing in so I can crawl underneath of it and put the kickdown cable on it, which will be a separate video. Man, that's a good looking Bronco. All right, guys, that's it for this video. Mongo Man's out.